Welcome back to the Firenzecolor classroom. The product I'm going to show you today is Marmorino KS. Very easy product to do. Two-coat process with a beautiful gold wax. Marmorino KS is our sandy matte finish. Very easy. The first thing you're going to need is your stainless steel trowels. So I'm going to do a old world style that gives you a little texture on the first coat. So basically, you want to slap it on, do some skip trowels, come back, and drag it. It gives you more texture. When you put everything, you have to have everything connecting like a river. When you do a skip trowel, you never want to do one of those. That's for rookies. You always want to have everything connected. You notice it's very simple to do. Just put on the first coat here and there, but just make sure that all the gaps look authentic. First coat done. When this dries, it will look like this. Very simple. You just put it on. Now I'm going to do my second coat. Second coat, very nice and tight. Here you're going to be using more muscle. Always compress into it. And you're compressing the sand from the second coat into the first coat. And try to do longer strokes with this coat so you can finish the wall a lot quicker. So like I said, you will be using a little bit more muscle on this one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a second different color. We're going to add blue highlights in some areas. A little bit of blue. And then you want to blend it in. So you want to make sure you put on the blue while the second coat is still wet. And you can put it random in different places, different directions. If you feel like you put the blue too strong in one area, you can easily blend it in with the black or just add more black into it. You can make it a dramatic look or a nice, very simple, subtle look. So basically that'll be it. When this dries, you will put a nice gold wax on it. Very, very nice. When this dries, it will look like this. Now, remember, everything with lime dries like 40% lighter to 50% lighter. Very important. Now the wax that we're going to use is the gold wax from Firenzecolor. Very simple to do. It's you can put it on any of our Venetian plasters. You can put on your trowel and put it on nice and tight. Now, anything with the wax, you want to let the Marmorino, the Venetian plaster, absorb it absorb it. Let the Marmorino absorb it. So when the Marmorino absorbs it, then you want to come back and basically polish it out. It's a very simple technique. Overall finish, you grab the first coat, you make a texture. Second coat, put it off, cover up the whole wall nice and tight, and then you're going to put your blue highlights, and then you will get the gold wax, put it all over it, and basically you'll be done. Very easy. It's a 3-step process with the wax, of course, and it will give you a stunning look with the Marmorino KS. Stunning. And thank you again for watching the Firenzecolor Classroom. Hope to see you again.